Flames Love KDB back in the building with yet another reaction video of Mama B, and we're gonna be doing a single reaction for you guys again today. So we're gonna be reacting to Young and Lips, the song Everyday. So this just dropped. Yeah, thank you to everyone that's requested for us to react to this track. Pretty keen to see it. It's been like a minute since Young and Lips has dropped a track. Last time we saw him was in Lifestyle with DJ Discretion and Hooligan Hefs. But yeah, fam, don't forget, support our poly businesses. This is also money. We got the sisterhood, but there are brotherhood shirts for the boys, for the brothers out there. So if you guys want to get you some merch, message.
There are other colours.
Yeah, there
you
are
just need to DM Clarence and he'll inform you of what he has.
Yeah.
Stock.
Check it out, fams.
Poly movement.
Poly movement. Now let's get to the track.
Short one too.
Young and Lips. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Break the face too.
She gon' pull up to the side of the road, suck it up, she drippin' down to her toes. Remember when I told her I need a flow? Now she thinking she can wait for the call. I ain't trippin', every chick bang. I've been set up on a new page. Nunu got me wanting more stay. Drippin' Gucci on a new bag. Yeah, shit, I got that good sex, good vibe, nice smile, no ties, real life, so realize eyes on me. That's both vibe. Shout out to with that one and that six to that six. That's my dudes.
This is the only thing I got 2166 is because it's got tattoos in. Everything else I'm like, what? Yeah.
I personally find it hard trying to...
I'm straight up like...
But he has his own style, so
yeah.
He's kind of unique.
Yeah, bloody hell, Young and Lips. Yet again, I can't get it.
That's my gang, that's my spot, that's my guy. Up in no range, and she gon' do what I say. I say that I'm on the way, pull around for the rest of the day. Little mama, she wanted to take, she too close and she tryna be bae. No, she holding something that a crazy, but I give her that high elevate. Not too long ago, they had her down, and I swear that they were running them out. They ain't fading, took a trip around the town. Sam ain't looking cause he left for the front. Taking over and I'm running the top of the opposition. They don't like it, the sun. You can help the people that don't wanna be found. I gotta leave and send my youngins around. I went off topic before what they say. We're making moves and I'm trying to get paid. All of this love, but I feel like it's fake. She ain't real, I can do this all day. I'm the brother trying to get back to faith. Gotta make sure that my family's straight. Spinning out, but I know that it's fake. Put me still, so don't speak on my name. I can never let that go. No, she gon' do the most. Think I'm meant to give her toes. She might leave it broken from walls. Feeling like she do the most. Actually looking past my flaws. Getting one up and we only beginning. I guess if you know, then you know. She gon' pull up to the side of the road, suck it up, she drippin' down to her toes. Remember when I told her I need a flow? Now she thinking she can wait for the call. I ain't trippin', every chick bad. I've been set up on a new pad. Nunu got me wanting.
I like how they got a card that suits the rest of the parking lot.
The colours there, Bumblebee.
You're a smart thing, man.
Mustang, drippin' Gucci on a new bag. Shit, I got that good sex, good vibe, nice smile, no ties, real life, so realize eyes on me. That's both vibe. Shout out to with that one and that six to that six. That's my dudes, that's my gang, that's my spot, that's my guy. She a bad bitch from the west side. She gon' not keep on it up.
She the sister that was on his other video, the first one we reacted to.
No, that's different. Different video. Oh,
For the bad deal, it's stick fly. I don't trust him and it's no lies. She ain't a cool, but she whipping the door. All of that kick up inside of her clothes. I know a bitch when she wanna be low. Ain't with the wrist, so I gotta sing on. Why yeah, why yeah.
Beauty.
Why yeah.
TMC.
Bloody hell, man. You tell me, I got you, little man. So, friend, we're just re-listening to it again, cause we gotta get something, you know? Okay, come on, come on. Oh, yeah.
Not too long ago, they had her down, and I swear that they were running them out. They ain't fading, took a trip around the town. Sam ain't looking cause he left for the front. Taking over and I'm running the top of the opposition. They don't like it, the sun. You can help the people that don't wanna be found. I gotta leave and send my youngins around. I went off topic before what they say. We making moves and I'm trying to get paid. All of this love, but I feel like it's fake. She ain't real, I can do this all day. I'm the brother trying to get back to faith. Gotta make sure that my family's straight. Spinning out, but I know that it's fake. Put still, so don't speak on my name.
It just seems like she. Oh, you go before you forget.
No.
It seems like what he's saying is what he's trying to balance it out, trying to
Manage family
and also keep her happy.
I don't know. Caleb, man. Or like always he's top of the opposition or something.
So we've always been fails.
Yeah, of
at
Young and Lips.
Yeah, it's just
No matter how many times.
his lingo's on a whole other level for us.
And then when we finally actually read the lyrics, we're like, oh,
Yeah.
dang.
So I guess this is the first person where we've had to
Constantly.
do the reaction and then replay it again just to.
Yeah. Oh.
I can never let that go. No, she gon' do the most. Think I'm meant to give her toes. She might leave it broken froze. Feeling like she do the most. Actually looking past my flaws. Getting one up and we only
She do the most, she's looking past my flaws.
Yep. Okay, getting there.
And I guess if you know, then you know. She gon' pull up to the side of the road. Suck it up, she dripping down to her toes. Remember when I told her I need a phone? Now she drinking, she can wait for the call. I ain't tripping every chick bad. I've been set up on a new pad. Nunu got me wanting Mustang. Dripping Gucci on a new bag. That shit, I got that good sex, good vibe, nice smile, no ties, real life, so real life. Eyes on me, that's full vibe. Shout out to with that one and that 6 to that 6. That's my dudes, that's my gang, that's my spot, that's my guys. She a bad bitch from the west side.
So he's from the 2166. Never heard of that one
Yeah,
before.
I feel like that's a new one. Dang. It's so hard. I feel like I'm doing an exam or something.
When I keep on it all night, with a bad deal is stick fly. I don't trust me, man, it's no lie. She ain't a cool, but she whip in the door. All of that kick up inside of her clothes. I know a bitch when she wanna be low. Ain't wait for me, so I gotta sing on. Why, yeah.
Sydney, man. Guys, I feel disappointed in myself. What did you think, Mommy?
It's good. I'm just going by off the top of my head. I felt like he was, that's what it was.
fake
He's
love.
playing on words. And it almost seemed like it was about that girl, but then it wasn't about the girl.
Yeah, because it started talking about family and then it started talking about cash.
Like I
From what
kind
I
of
heard.
lost with it. He was trying to say something, but he's at the same time chucking you off.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I was getting confused. I was like, the lyrics I was getting, I was like, wait, is it about the girl? It's about his family? It's about opposition? Money?
Yeah.
I'm confused.
About his boys and new gang. Oh,
Kayla, man.
yeah.
What did
So what do you think?
I like that. It's actually a vibe. Like, because I don't know the lyrics, can't hear any lyrics, but it just sounds good. It actually sounds pretty good. It's a vibe. I'll give it a 8.
8, yeah. I give it an 8, almost a 9.
The
Because
visuals
it's
were
got me.
different.
It's got me.
Yeah. The visuals were a bit different. It was just weird seeing like cartoon things
Yeah,
out of nowhere.
yeah, it's-
Especially the heart bit.
I'm
And
feeling
then
like
the
as if throwing you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the clip as well, yeah. Like, I was a bit confused. There was a heart that just came and popped out of nowhere, and then
Is he
coins that came.
comparing real love like those that got your back, your mates or your girlfriend? Like that.
Are they there for the money or? I don't know. I'm so
Yeah.
confused.
Yeah, let us know in the comments down
Are
below.
we way off or are we way on?
Are we
you
way
know?
off?
Are we on it
Hopefully
or
not
off
too
it?
far.
Who knows? Yeah.
Poly movement.
Poly movement fans
Support the brothers. Poly artists. Everything. Please.
Please, fam.
Please help our poly brothers and sisters get up there.
But yeah, fams, make sure you guys stay safe. Nothing but love for you guys. Appreciate you guys always stopping by and watching our vids. And don't forget to support the bro Usumani. Check out his gear, and if you're willing, wanting to get some, go get some, fam.
Yeah.
You'll see more information on his Instagram and Facebook about what his brand is about. And I'll have it down in the description box along with the song info for you guys. See you on the next video. Bye.